Good morning, everybody. A little update. I got a Craftsman 2.2 or 36cc cylinder here. Started taking it apart the other night to reseal this bottom case half, and noticed that they had a lot of extra aluminum around this exhaust port and decided to try something different. So we plunged in some sub exhaust ports, dirt bike style. Right now they're even with the top of the exhaust port. So just trying something different here. So can't say I've seen this done in a chainsaw cylinder. I know they do it all the time in, you know, dirt bikes and other high performance two-strokes, but I've never really seen any other chainsaw cylinders that have the extra aluminum on the sides to be able to pull it off. So the way this casting worked out, you know, they left you all this extra room on the side. So we got them roughed in pretty good at the moment. I still got some squaring up to do, some smoothing and polishing, but all in all, I'm pretty happy how it turned out. We'll see how this thing runs, but you know, this was more done just pretty much for the hell of it. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted.